India-Sweden Innovation Day 2022. This year, 9th edition of the India-Sweden Innovation Day was observed. What is India-Sweden Innovation Day? India-Sweden Innovation Day is observed every year, to promote bilateral cooperation between India and Sweden in areas like sustainable industrial development and green transition via technological innovation. It is observed under the India-Sweden Innovation Partnership. The first edition of this day was observed when the partnership was instituted in the year 2013. Its purpose is to ensure mutual commitment towards addressing global challenges like climate change and sustainable development and achieving prosperity for both the countries through innovation. How was the 9th edition of the India-Sweden Innovation Day observed? The 9th edition of the annual India-Sweden Innovation Day was organized in Stockholm, Sweden on October 27. It was hosted by India Unlimited in association with the Indian Embassy to Sweden and Latvia. Accelerating Green Transition India-Sweden Innovation Partnership is the theme for this year's event. The event witnessed participation of more than 350 delegates in person and over 700 delegates online. The event recognized the importance of various aspects of climate change. It had sessions and discussions focusing on the development of climate-friendly solutions. It gave emphasis on harnessing the full potential of climate-positive technologies. It also provided opportunities to discuss issues of mutual importance like climate change, next-gen digitization, expansive use of artificial intelligence technology and economic growth. It explored the potential of smart technologies in promoting socio-environmental sustainability as well. During the event, traditional industrial companies and startups have joined hands, hasten the transition into the Fourth Industrial Revolution, Industrial Revolution 4.0. Four Swedish industrial companies Saab, Siemens Energy, Toyota Material Handling Europe and Väderstadverken collaborated to find innovative startups that will help them boost their products and services. What is India Unlimited? India Unlimited was founded